What's up, YouTube? CR here. So the other day I was having an issue with my John Deere 4600 not starting. It was about 32 degrees when I tried starting it, and it had been sitting in a field. I just filled it up with new diesel fuel, hadn't put any additive in yet. So, and it had been 25 or so the night before that. So I wondered, or I figured the fuel was probably gelled. So I put some diesel 911 in it, and I actually did get it to fire. It was running really rough, barely wanted to run. So anyway, I got looking online. I was like, oh, I don't know. After that, I got it running again pretty good. It was like 50 out the next time I tried it, and it shut off while I was using it. So I got reading online, and I read about this thermistor that resides behind the fuse block here. And basically what it is, here's the old one. Popped this out earlier. I guess it regulates voltage depending on temperature, and they can malfunction. So anyway, somebody had already replaced this once. You can see a butt connector on that one. This one was bent in half to be a little thicker so the butt connector would fit on it. So I removed removed this thermistor and cut the other butt connector off. Restripped both wires. There's a black and a white here. There you go. So anyway, I stripped both of those and put a new butt connector on, very small butt connector. 18 to 22 gauge, I believe it was. So I crimped that, both ends, and put some liquid tape on it. And I'm gonna put some regular electrical tape on it. But anyway, I think that fixed it. So how I got to that was, there's two studs right back here that this fuse block basically slides over, and then there's two 10mm nuts that hold this on. So I popped those off. After popping this off, this is the cover for the emergency brake. Emergency brake goes up through there. That was two 10mm bolts, and then the cover that holds this on was a couple 10 mils. So a few 10mm bolts and a couple crimps, liquid tape, regular electrical tape, and I don't know if you can hear that, but that solenoid's clicking every time now. So that means it's opening it up, allowing fuel to flow through the injection pump and allowing the tractor to start. So I think it's a good fix. Pretty simple. I was worried at first. I know on some of the older ones that they've had a lot of injector pump issues and things like that can get really expensive. So for a $40 fix, and took about an hour tops. So I think that's pretty simple. So hopefully this video will help somebody else out. I guess it's a pretty common issue. So like and subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks.